Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use this software to create very cool looking exploding links. You'll see what I mean by that in a minute. So what you do is, of course, you put your link in here. So let's say google.com. Okay, click next. The text for the link. So this is your clickable text. So go to Google. Next, the text you want to explode. So when you put your mouse over the link, this text will explode in different colors and sizes from that link. So you can put any word or phrase you want in here. So we'll say Google is great. Generate. Okay, so here we are. Go to Google. You see that? When people mouse over. Okay, now click here to get your code. And I'll put one there for you too. Okay, so what you do is you copy this code onto your site just above the slash body tag. So you take all of this down here right to the bottom. And you copy it into your website just above the slash body tag. So let's open our site. So I'll just open it with Notepad. Okay, and we're going to want to go right to the very bottom. And here's the body tag. So right above that, we paste all that in. And then all we have to do is do the last section here. Right at the top here, this is our link. So there we go. We just copy our link into our site where we want it to show. So we'll open that up again here. And we'll put the link up here somewhere. Now you could open this in an editor as well, so you don't have to struggle to find where you want it. I think I'll do that. I'm going to save this and open it up in Composer. Didn't bring everything in there. Anyway, let's put it right here. So let's insert HTML, paste it, insert, save. All right, now let's open this up. Okay, let's roll down here. Okay, there's our exploding. Click on it. Now to Google we go. Okay, now, so that's how you can use it to create some cool looking exploding links. Now you can put as many links on your site as you want. Make sure though that you only paste the script in once. So when you can go back through this whole thing and make another one. The second time on the same site, all you have to do is put this link where you want. This script down here, you only paste in one time. Okay, there you go. So that's how you can create some neat exploding links using the software.